Good morning, sir, madam. I good night to report a customer complaint that I received last Monday. A customer named Linda Smith called our store to complain about a laptop she bought from us. She said that after a short time of using it, the laptop started to run very slowly and sometimes suddenly shut down. She also mentioned that the battery does not long and evicted. I apologized to her for the inconvenience and asked for more details about the problem. I suggested that she bring the laptop to our store for checking and repair. I recommend that we hand it quickly to maintain customer satisfaction.